If you're planning on using one of the microtips, the first thing you'll have to do is to trim off the main nozzle because it's solid plastic right up at the top. The best way to do that is to just put a little mark somewhere on that plastic, and you'll be able to use that as a guideline, because when the microtip slides on, you'll be able to see how far down it goes, and you don't want to cut below there because it won't fit on. So the next thing to do is to come with a sharp pair of scissors. In this case, I can cut just below that line, just like that. That will fit on. And there's that applicator fit on. Now the micro applicator also is solid plastic up here, so you'll also need to cut that, and you'll be able to see that there's a hole in there. If that hole is not large enough, you can very carefully cut a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger until you get the size that you need for the job that you want to do.